Long and short, I sounds. Master English pronunciation and phonics rules. Let's start with the short vowel sound. This pronunciation sounds like "ich," as pronounced in the word it. This includes words ending in ing. For example, chicken, give, hill, impossible, in, and sick. And the long vowel sound. This sounds like the letter I. This includes words with I plus GH and I plus consonant plus E. For example, aisle, drive, ice, island, library, and wine. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on vowels.